hurricane pressure, man. Everything's like trying to fly off of me. These 15s?
Yeah.
Wow.
They're big. They're a little big. They're like just a little bit bigger than most 15s.
The cone area is a little bit wider on them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cutout hole's bigger.
Did you build this?
Yes.
This is very impressive.
Thank you.
Wow. And it's still kind of a stock cabin, or have you done some good work in the cabin as well?
It's pretty much stock except for the roof.
Yeah.
I mean, the roof's wood, but pretty much everything else is stock.
Wow. These are the 4 M45s.
Yes.
What is like the power on this?
They're rated at 4,500. Right now I'm clamping about 5,000 per sub.
Okay, I'd have to go look at the amps that are in there. Yeah, okay, man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Are these what, 12Ks? 15?
They're clamping a little over 15,000 a piece.
Okay. So you got 4 and 12, so 3 per?
Half on. Half on.
Oh yeah, don't do that.
There's 12 Pride M45 15s. I got 4 audio dynamic 12Ks.
Whoa.
Running like 5,000 RMS and sub.
Man. And you built this enclosure?
Yes. I did all the work myself except for the doors.
Whoa. How many cubes did you get out of the box?
Originally I had 110. But Hunter said that was too many.
Too many?
So I actually had to take some of it out of the box.
So this is your round over here.
Yeah.
So you have a loading wall, really just
No
loading wall. So it's still a 6th order though, or? Okay. What's the tuning on that back part?
It's 22 on the back and 44 on the front.
Oh, low tuning. Okay. Wow. Any windshield issues?
This is about the 5th one I've had.
Oh man.
I've learned to not no high notes.
Yeah.
No high notes will break them every
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
So I haven't broke one in a while.
That's good.
I have broke back 3 or 4.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, man. I would love to hear it, Marty. Awesome. Looking forward to it.
This song right here is kind of getting played out a little bit. It sounds really good.
Okay.
Make you disappear.
trying to fly off of me. Wow. That was wild. Man. I can't imagine like sealing up. You blow stuff. That's wild, man. I appreciate that demo, Marty. Wow, that was awesome. Thank you.
My relay popped out.
Oh, don't worry about it then. We'll just make it work.
The little relay keeps popping out.
Really? Oh, from the pressure.
If all that diffused.
Oh, wow. All right. So the wow.
Marty Maddox.
Okay.
12 Pride M45.